Here's how to check if your VPN is enabled or disabled to your router. First is go to the settings of the phone that you're currently connected with the phone or to the network of the router that you're currently in, and go ahead and click on the I options or the information options and scroll down and see if the VPN is enabled to the Wi-Fi connection or internet that you're currently connected with. If you can see the VPN configuration address right there, it means that the VPN is not turned on. You can also go to the settings and search for the VPN management. Now, once you already see the VPN device management, click on that, and as you can see, the router IP address is not registered under the VPN, so it means it is disabled. You can go ahead and enable this by just go ahead and click on the VPN and click on Add VPN Configurations and put all the information needed for you to turn it on.